Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a brief look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with mud flaps on the front and rear tires and vent shades on the windows. You've got some nice accessories there and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and you have your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be actually locked at the hinge here for added security. And then down here in the middle you have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. And then looking in the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 62,465 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and then you can go into your display mode, look at your digital speedometer, engine information, transmission temperature, distance to empty, your diesel exhaust fluid gauge and status, tire pressures. Then you have your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, hazards, and then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. And down below you have another 12-volt with two USBs and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something else. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock there. Moving on to your center console, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that you have another lockable compartment with some flip out cup holders like so, and a ton of room in there, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.